Okay, so DualShock 4, how to open it and replace the USB port that is acting. First of all, we remove the 4 screws that are, let's see if we can, yes, it's better, behind, underneath the controller. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now this is the most tricky and difficult part, opening this. After that it's a piece of cake. This is the replacement with the flat cable, the ribbon cable, and the replacement USB port. You can buy these on Amazon for a few dollars, $6, $7, $8, $10. But before ordering, make sure that you open your controller and you make sure of the model, the exact model. In this case, it's the FJDS 055. I don't know, I don't think you can read it. I'm gonna put it out of the plastic, maybe it's less reflective, maybe it's gonna, you can see it better. .055. Because there are many different types, some are larger, so you have to make sure that you have the exact same one, otherwise it's not gonna fit your controller. Then to open this, you just have to keep it close to your body so it won't jump around, and then you force it open, but close to your body so you don't risk to pull it all the way apart and risk damaging the internal cable. Okay, so it's coming off. That's it. And here you can see the ribbon cable of the USB port that we are going to replace now. First of all, this white bar here, it's stuck here on the left side. So you need to lift it here on the right side first, and then extract it in this way. Then you can remove this by lifting it again on the right side and then extracting in this way, because it's stuck here. It's stuck here. So see, I am lifting here on this side and then I'm pulling it away here. And there's this little cushion. Oops, it broke. Well, we're gonna put this part back here, and here's the part. So we're gonna remove these two, unscrew the part that hopefully is the one that is acting. Hopefully it's not the whole controller that is broken. And here we are. There's a little bit of insulating tape that we are going to a looks slightly different. So let's see. One, two. Okay, let's try to count them. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's too thick. I'm gonna need something thinner. Something much thinner. Okay, this will work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, it's so small that it's so difficult to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, it's the same type. Okay, so this is gonna go this way, therefore we are removing this little piece of black tape from the old one and putting it on the new one so that it can go back there. And then we are putting, so the contacts go below. Okay. This one is the one that you lift and then lower. I don't know if you can see it. There is a little black flap that you lower, you lift it, and then you put the cable inside. You can feel it strong, and then you close it, tuck, and it hugs it. It grabs it. Okay. So there you go. Nice and easy. Put the screw back. Here's our new part. Hopefully it'll work. Hopefully. Then we plug it back into the motherboard, the circuit board of the controller. Okay, it went. And before we close the controller, let's test it. Let's test it. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Let's test it and see if it works. It's working. Very well. This is the old one. Then we carefully I forgot to put back those other parts. Oh, well, not forgot. We tested that it works, and now we can put back those other parts. So first, this one. So this is the glass, kind of glass. So it's scaled. So this part that you can see as some protrusion, it goes toward the external part, while the smooth flat part goes internally, so that it can stick into the little track that it has around. Then we put these, remember, see this? First we slide it laterally, tack, and then we lower it here, tack. There is a little hole with a little thing that goes, a black plastic pin, so it's nice. And then for this it's the same thing. First we slide it under this black plastic pin here, under, tack, and then we lower it here. That's it. Then we put this back, the data cable, 12 contacts, 12 pins data cable into the logic board. There it is. Nice and easy. And then we close it back. The challenge is where to let this delicate cable rest so that it doesn't get damaged. I guess we could okay, there, yeah. Okay, as you can see, it goes like making an S. It goes right here in this empty area. Be careful that this clear plastic thing goes under, inside the body of the chassis. Then you just pop it back in, give it another last check to the ribbon cable that is not being squeezed anywhere. We don't want. Yes. And then you just pop it back in. Let's check again if it works before putting the screws. Yes, it works. Now we can put the screws back. And now the next test will be just to use it and see if by using it the behavior of the controller will still be erratic, randomly disconnecting and reconnecting, or if it's fixed. If it still happens, then it's a problem of the controller itself, not just the USB port. If it doesn't happen anymore, then it was a problem of the USB port. Fourth screw. Okay. And here we are. Let's see if there's a website. Gamepad controller test. Check controllers and joysticks online. Yeah. Okay. Okay, yes, it works well. Looks like the online gamepad tester. Let me see if I can show you. If I can show you this. Copy. Okay. No gamepads detected. What's it saying? Add a display window capture Firefox. Okay. Here we are. See the buttons. You can see as I press them. There you are. All good. Okay. Thank you. I hope this helps and have a great day.